Alright, hello, welcome back to GNB's Corner. Today we got another striker build. It's only going to be between 2 or 3 because yeah. So let's get straight into it. You already know the deal. We're going to search out the spinner. It's up and running. One, two, well, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Stop. Baboon. Alright. So, and also, I'm kind of hoping for the rarity 5. Let's see what we get. Okay, we got it. Okay. So I do understand that this is like more. I guess I could buy both, but I don't really want to. But let's go ahead and get this. Ooh, baboon. All right. Oh, I couldn't buy both. I couldn't buy both. Alright, let's go ahead and start going crazy with this car. I did find some carbon parts, but we of course need some more. Because, well, don't really got much. But, without further ado, let's get straight into it. Oh man, just... Oh, it's just one gear! Oh yeah, let me turn up the audio. I always turn it back down because of copyright issues and stuff like that. But I already like the color. The color looks amazing. Let's hear that rev real quick. Oh, you can like barely hear it too. Hold on. Let me turn off the music real quick. Okay. Let's turn this back up. Let's see. That's so quiet. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. This is very interesting. I never had the car. I think this is electric, that's why. Alright, this will be interesting actually. But yeah, I will continue grinding this game. It's because it's meant for simpler. And I like it. Alright, let's go ahead and ask ChatGPT. What color should we do? Blue. A random color. Let's see what we get. Solar magneto. Solar magneto. Color. Oh, okay, so like a violet blue or a violet purple. Okay, I can get behind this. Okay, yeah, solar magneto. That is. Okay, so like a pinkish. Really different. Okay, give me another. I'm gonna ask. Give me another color. Nebula teal. Oh, like a lightning blue. Okay. So this is how it looks. Lightning blue. Alright, I can get behind that. Let's go and get started. We're gonna get this. We're gonna get this. Get this. Make that really light. Same. I think it's like the other way around. That's when. Yeah, there you go. Parts. Front bumper. I'm trying to see like give myself an idea of what's gonna be like the heaviest. Maybe that. There we go. A lot of weight taken out. Oh man, alright. Beautiful. And interior, we're gonna make it into a bright teal blue. You already know that we're gonna have to max this out. So we'll do that. Let me see if there's a part. No part. Oh, twin. What? Oh, wow, that's very expensive. Okay, that makes more sense. Okay, Jesus, this is very expensive. Jeez, okay, we're gonna need to do another video on this car. Wow, I was not expecting it to be this expensive. We can for sure get the twin turbo right now. Change these to uprights. We could change the wheels. Alright, let's leave them. I like that. I like those wheels. Make it so it can launch. Okay. Oh, like that. Ooh, that's good. Alright, let's go and go to the tires. Less sensitive. We're just going to it at 85. Linger frames, we'll do this at 15. Target friction, base friction. We kind of want as much friction in the back. So, put that to 1.12. I'm kind of trying to make that like a drag spin in a way. We're going to do that. Dang, yeah, I was not expecting it to be that expensive. Wow. Yep. Yeah, it looks beautiful. Look at that. Let's get a little run. Oh yeah. Oh. Wait, why did it go more? Am I? Did it go more, right? Than just like 250? It does. Oh, okay, that's interesting. And the brakes are horrible. Okay. So remember, this ain't fully maxed. Let's look at those stats real quick. Oh, I accidentally clicked it. Whoops. Alright, so we got a torque of 845 pounds and a weight of 1.2. That's really good. Let's see how fast this car is. Also, I'm sorry if you couldn't see me like go up here. It's because I want to find more parts for these cars. Let's see. Wow! Almost 4,000. Yeah, this can't turn for nothing. Holy. Okay, we're gonna come back on the music. But yeah, I am trying to find more ways to make money and to find those parts, because those parts are very hard to come by. Oh, we can make, yeah, let's go back. Hold on. Let's go to the airport. Let's see when it stops. So like at, jeez. Oh, but it can't brake. Okay, there we go. Holy, okay. So I need to fix the brakes for sure. Let's lower the, jeez. Let's make the car go a little bit faster. Yeah, I wasn't expecting the gears to be that long. How weird that says top speed 99. Is that like crazy? Oh, this feels a lot faster. Yeah, we can bump it down a little bit more. You don't need to be going this fast. Oh, shit. Whoops. Oh, I want no stiffness. That's fine. Whoops. I was wondering why it wasn't like doing anything. There we go. Okay, go back to tuning. We can do. We'll do 75 or yeah, 75. Let's do 80. All right, let's try this again. Oh yeah. What? It's now going faster. Why? How interesting. Okay. So I for sure need this car to like launch basically. That's what we need, sure. But let's see how fast this car is. Oh, but it's faster. What? Okay. Is that faster? I can't tell. Was it faster? Yeah, it was faster. How interesting. Okay, well, let's check out airport. Jeez. Yeah, this is my fastest car yet. Oh, but how weird. No, it was faster. Okay. Wow, as soon as we get that part, we're set. I'm gonna grind a little bit more, just so we can have enough for that twin turbo. Because as soon as we get it, we're golden. And also, we should try and get to more of these parts. Oh, no one just spawned right now, actually. So we can try and go for it for sure. Hopefully I can find it. Oh, we found it. Oh, that's such a good part too. A tier 5 supercharger. Dang it. Well, it happens. It is what it is. We're gonna go ahead and... Just so we can have enough for that twin turbo. Because wow, I was not expecting this car to be that expensive. But man, when it picks up, man. Okay, another one just spawned. Wow, a lot of car parts are spawning right now. That's kind of crazy. Oh, I think I see it. Oh, come on, go faster. Please be something good. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, it's just only a tier 2. Dang it. I mean, it's still good, but that's alright. But yeah, I'm gonna just do this a couple more, just so we can have enough for that crazy part. Maybe I'm just gonna go up to like 6. What was it? Yeah, so 700-ish. Alright, let's look at the dyno real quick. Wow, so the torque doesn't move at all, but the power moves faster. Okay, this is an interesting car. Very interesting car. But man, it picks up quick. This is such an hypercar, man. Holy. We're almost there to get the next couple stuff that we want. Honestly, I think this car can probably easily beat like some of the more hypercars. Easily, without a doubt. Because remember, this was the only what 2 carbon fiber parts. That's insane. Dang. Wow. I was not expecting this. We're gonna do this race real quick and then we'll go back. See if we can get some crazy parts as we continue on. But yeah, wow. I'm kind of shocked. And we're also going to get a closer look at the interior again. Really admire this beauty of the team. Holy. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Literal demon. Oh my god. The interior. Wow. Wow, the interior looks amazing. Like, the devs are extraordinary, amazing. Holy. They really go into detail. Like, of course, they won't actually like copy the name because it'll be copyrighted. But will it be copyrighted? No, I think it'll be like something like that. But man, that's amazing. Holy. Right. Let's go and get this situated. So we're going to do no stiffness. Damping. I don't know what damping does. I'll just leave it. Let's get the. Oh, sure. I also need the tune. Yeah, engine tune. That's right. We'll get engine tune afterwards. That. Let's apply that. Alright, now let's see how fast this goes. Now that we have twin turbo. Oh my. Jesus. Oh my goodness. That is insane. Let's do one more. Oh. It is so fast that it lagged me out of the game. Holy. That's insane, honestly. We're gonna try and go back in the game. I think a lot of people like that as well. Yeah, I don't think I was the only one. But dang. Crazy if you tell me, or if you ask me. Holy. Experience restricted. So they're probably using like a private server or something. Or if that's a dev, then hello dev. Alright, let's see this on the highway real quick. Let's see if this is pretty good. Oh. Oh yeah. Shit. it can't turn though, but it is very fast. As soon as it hits 200, it can't turn for nothing really. Jeez. All right, let's see how fast this car is now. Real quick, and then end it there. And go. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70. It just climbs. That's actually slower. I don't understand this car. Okay, wait. I want to try something real quick, and then we'll call it quits there. That's weird how it's like faster, but not faster. Let's lower this by that much. Now let's see how fast it is. Let's do airport. Because remember, we got like 11.5. Is that slower? No, that is faster. What? How weird. Maybe you have to make it like super stiff. That's what I'm guessing. Super stiff and like no friction. I'm gonna do this real quick and then I'll end the video. I'll continue upgrading this car. This car is insane. But yeah, how interesting. So maybe because it's not gripping? That's what I'm guessing. So we're gonna put that at 15. That a 9. Frame, I guess we'll put 31. Let's try that. The gears, we'll leave the gears. We'll keep them a little bit out just so it can turn more. Stiffness, we'll add a little bit of stiffness. Same thing with the rear. Let's bump it a little bit. That looks a lot better. Depthness. We'll probably do 80. Alright, let's see if this is good real quick. And then, yeah, we'll call it. Oh, it feels a lot better. Wow, okay, so I guess you need more friction to make the car go faster. That's good to know. $150? Oh, 10 times better. Oh, but that's like the... Yeah, that's the same. Wow, no. But, I'm gonna keep on testing on this car. Thank you for joining me. And as I always like to say... See you.